Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today we are unboxing the Nissan Fairlady Z from the Japan 2 Historic Series. This is car number 3 of 5. It's a really cool looking car. Also that artwork on the box there looks really cool. Let's rip straight into it. So this one is probably the start of all the Zs that Nissan has now. Yeah, it's like the first one. So this one has got the full body kit. It looks pretty cool. It's missing the mirrors that would be on the hood of a production model car, but still it looks pretty awesome. This is a metal on metal, so it's really heavy. You can feel the quality, and it's got those real rider tires, so the rubber tires on the wheels. Overall, it's a pretty cool car, and I like the yellow that they've put it into. It's pretty nice. Alright everyone, don't forget, big thumbs up, leave your comments down below what you think about this Nissan Fairlady, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next on the Hot Wheels Garage. So stick around for the detailed views. Thanks everyone.